Welcome back to the travelling series. Because today is Sunday service on the buses, I've got to make the 45-minute walk into the city centre for my first train. Today we're going to be heading over to Spondon to see Ben and his homeland. We've not met at Spondon since that FabeCon event thing we did in about 2017. But additionally, there's 2 cross-country diverts per hour. So let's see what happened there. And let's see what time I make it up to the railway station. We are currently now 7:39. The train is in at 59 minutes time. Let's get going. There is one big reason why I don't usually do this walk and end up paying the bus fare instead. It's because this specific route anyway, the quickest one, or so it claims, has various mounts of different terrain. So you could go steep up and very quickly back down again, almost immediately. We'll come up to that section shortly. Then additionally, at least in this park, there is segregation between the bicycle and footpath. Obviously that's safe for everybody, but you still get bicycles up here and pedestrians down the bottom there. Right, next we go over this bridge and we're going to connect to the footpath coming up on the right. So out the way of bicycles, the footpath has been rebuilt a lot in the several recent years to try and put in better flood defences. As we approach the traffic lights on Dixon Street, do you think I'm going to continue via Riverside Path straight ahead or turn right and join the High Street? Let's see. If you said I was going to go right, you were wrong. We continue straight up onto the Riverside Path, which will take us through to just shy of the Royal Mail Sorting Centre and the very old Burger King at St Mark's, which the building still stands, but they moved out about 2 and 3 years ago. So we now approach the back end of St Mark's shopping centre and that long abandoned Burger King. So we're pretty much within the city at 5 minutes past 8. We just need to get to the railway station now for the train at 38 minutes past. Won't take me long to get over there now. At 08:09 we've arrived onto the middle part of the High Street. We just now need to head to the railway station, which will take no more than 4 minutes at most. Arrived at the railway station at 08:12. The 08:26 Northern train service to Leeds will have 790. Interruption by the gay unit first then, terminating in from Leicester. So I've got 773. Also, this is my train, the 838 through to Nottingham, 17514. Eddens ní Ains. We're making words up now.
Good morning, passengers at Lincoln. This is the 838 Teaspoons Railway Service route to Leicester via Nottingham. Current at Highcombe, Swindon, Cunningham, Newcastle and Nottingham. Then you got features in Aston Roosters, Park Rail, Loughborough, Parkland, Southby, Sexton and Leicester. As you're on the train, if you do see anything suspicious, please report it to a member of staff or British Transport Police. You can text the police on 610 Welcome to the train, do the full ticket check, please all your tickets, rail cards, rail passes ready for inspection. Once again, A38 service route to Leicester, next station call will be Hack.
Today's journey needs the next train from this one to operate, otherwise I've got a 2-hour delay. So we're travelling on an off-peak day return ticket from Lincoln Central to Spondon. I thought, well, let's take the liberty and see if we can then get back again without having to go into Derby first. This cost us £13.20, so let's throw that there.
Station arriving into Nottingham. If leaving us here, please remember to take any bags or personal belongings with you. They'll ask you to retain all tickets from the travel and exit through any barriers. At Nottingham, next station come.
The 0929 East Midlands Railway service from Grimsby Town to Leicester, 17514. Now I've got to move to platform 7B for the 0954, which will probably be platform change, it's not arrived yet. So once the stock arrives in, we might train the 0954 East Midlands Railway service to Derby. There's now a 2-hourly service in either direction to Spondon. Okay, next into platform 7B will form the 0954 East Midlands Railway service to Derby. On 7272. This will take me over to Spondon, where it's booked a 4-minute wait for some reason. And they'll have to take it because it's a passenger service. Well, we've got a conductor up there, so we'll be in shortly. Right.
Spondon is our next station, hold.
This train will spend about 5 minutes at platform due to early running. Train will then depart at 10:22. Only recently has the road reopened after reconstruction for the St. Lee's plant, but it needs to be reclosed again shortly because industrial vehicles cannot fit down the road because of the new dimensions. Legitimate reason from the council. Putting me off here as well. There was several boarding. Barriers I don't, so they're going to be down for the next 3.5 minutes. Let's go. The 10:22 East Midlands Railway service from Nottingham to Derby, 172.72. There was 4 passengers that boarded, 5 if that, but only me off. At least we're using them, so can we keep them in the December timetable change instead of taking them back away then, please?
I'll now demonstrate to you the 2000s flying technology. Here we go. So you get this little green thing, right? You chuck it up.
It fucks off over there!
You have another 2 helicopter device materials. So that level crossing's going down. I'm going to give you the double helicopter flying tutorial. So guys, if you do like these videos, like and subscribe. I will force you to subscribe so I can get some money into my account. And right, so 1, look at that guys, absolute aerospace technology. Rolls-Royce needs to invest in that. And lit 2. Well, that was... Thanks, guys.
There was massive cutaway you didn't see, but now we're walking back. Ready meal for 1.
Galaxy Counter.
A bus stop that probably doesn't see a service. And the 13:55 East Midlands Railway service from Derby to Nottingham. ta-ra. So we arrived back at Nottingham, now stayed over to platform 3B for the final train, the Grimsby. The 1425 East Midlands Railway Survey set to Worksop 17424. It's never usually on time. That Leicester one, that is. And I should just wait for mine, the 1435 Grimsby. The 1435 East Midlands Railway service from Leicester to Grimsby Town. It's only 503.
Barnet v Hayborough and Grimsby Town. Due to arrive at Grimsby at approximately 16:26. Our next stop is Lincoln.
We then had Stagecoach East Midlands 27790 on the 16 from the bus station, highlighted at Manby Street, and I'm just walking the remainder back. So if we add the bus fare, that one way, and then we've got the full total of the day here. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.